Hey there, YouTube fans, how you going? This is quite an amazing little piece of information here that has been hidden, because initially this article was suppressed, and now it looks like in 2021 PubMed has actually released this article. And if this is true from the research that they're looking at, it's insulin resistance is associated with central pain in patients with fibromyalgia. It means that insulin resistance or prediabetes or diabetes is the cause of fibromyalgia. So I won't go through the whole thing. Please look up this article. It's by Miguel A. Papola, and it's on PubMed, and you just Google it. I'm not sure if I'll be able to put a link in. I'll try to put a link in to the description of this video. But if we have a look here, in summary, 33 patients were tested, and we found an association between insulin resistance and fibromyalgia that was independent of age, gender, and ethnicity, and that they started to give people metformin to improve their insulin resistance, and their pain thresholds came down. In the conclusion, the association demonstrated in the study warrant further investigation, including the pursuit of randomized double-blind clinical trials to determine the effect of improving insulin sensitivity in fibromyalgia-related pain scores. Such studies could unveil a potential pathogenic relationship between fibromyalgia, central pain, and insulin resistance. Based on these initial findings, we present the hypothesis that insulin resistance may underlie pathological mechanisms leading to central pain. If confirmed, this may lead to a paradigm shift in the development of and in the management of central pain. In other words, and there's no conflicts of interest. In other words, if you get your insulin resistance under control, which can be done by a better diet, so say low carbohydrate diet, so not spiking your blood sugars all day, and then also taking things like metformin, which makes me wonder, because berberine, the natural herb, acts exactly the same as metformin, but for my particular body, less side effects, generally speaking. Whether berberine also would help with fibromyalgia, only time will tell, because I'm trying it, berberine, right now, in fact. Anyway, it's worth considering whether getting diabetes under control, getting pre-diabetes under control, would actually improve fibromyalgia. It's something to think about, and this is where this research is heading. Interesting research. Hope that helps somebody out there. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, by the way, just before I go, so if you see those little triangles there, so on the left is the HbA1c 5, and then it goes up to 7. So I'm about 6.5. I'm right up here, and you see that the triangle, this whole area, are patients with fibromyalgia. So it's all the patients that have insulin resistance or diabetes, which is the same thing basically. So that's quite an interesting graph there. All right, I'll leave it there. Something to think about. Improve your insulin resistance, improve your diabetes, improve your pre-diabetes. You might improve or cure or reduce your pain in fibromyalgia. All right, thank you, guys. Ciao.